It's Dael with the V-Twin Foodies and with
Mike here.
And Mike, brother, it's good to have you back, man. Good to see you back.
Still limping around on a crutch, though.
Still limping around the crutch, but you're back. We're eating food here. And where are we at today, bro?
Well, we're at what's called Factory 29.
Factory 29.
Yes. Formerly the Marion Wing Factory.
Marion Wing Factory, of course, is known for many awards for the best wings.
Yeah, it was voted many years in a row for the best wings.
Best
so
wings in
we're
Dael
here,
County, Marion, North Carolina.
Yep, we're here to see if the name changed the wings.
Change the wings or change the food. Because I'll tell you what,
yeah.
we're sitting here and we're starting off with appetizers. And the first thing I ordered, very first thing I ordered, was they have what's this called? The duck.
Yeah, the duck wontons.
Duck
right?
wontons.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually duck, using duck, and they got a little sauce for it.
Yeah, what is that sauce? That's like
it's a sweet
ginger
sauce or something
sweet,
like that. And then the next thing we had to add was check them gold ones out, baby.
Cheese curds.
Cheese curds, and with the cheese curds we got ranch and I think that is
marinara
and caramel honey.
Caramel. Is that what that is?
It's
yeah.
caramel, yeah.
Yep.
Same thing. So
interesting.
Now I've had these here before when it was Wing Factory.
Mm-hmm.
So let's try them out and let's see.
All right, you first, sir.
All right. Well, I've already had one. You go ahead.
Oh, you've already had.
Yeah,
one.
I've had before when it was Factory 21. So we'll let you go ahead first.
Boom. I was being polite and using my fork, but I'm about to use my fingers.
Use the fingers there, yeah. And
all right. Smells really good. Dip it in the sauce.
I think this is the.
Hot.
Yeah.
There's a filling. Oh yeah. Good flavor.
That's
duck. Looks like there's a little bit of corn in it.
All right, so Mike, what do you think about that duck, man?
Oh, that's really good. I'm not a huge fan of duck, but man, it's pretty good.
All right, well, I got some with the sauce on here. I said I've had it before, so let's try it again. That is good.
All right.
Again, that's with some of the red chili sauce on it.
Mm-hmm. Woo. All right, Dael. I'm going to dig into one of these cheese curds. Nice golden fried cheese curd. Crunchy outer layer. I'm going to try. This is what, a caramel?
The caramel. Honey? No, it's just regular caramel.
Just caramel. I've never had caramel on a cheese curd before.
It's good.
Wow. That is different. I'm digging that. I suggest ordering the caramel sauce.
Well, Mark, I see something that just caught my eye that you ordered.
Mm-hmm.
I guess it's probably one of your favorite appetizers or one of your side dishes. Like you got some onion rings over there, man. Check these onion rings out.
Check these onion rings out. They look like they're house made, battered nicely. I'm tempted to try it in the caramel. I'm going to go bold here and try this in the caramel. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Damn, it's almost as if that caramel goes good with everything. Wow.
Yeah. So I'm going to grab one of these. All right, so I love the caramel. Some people call it caramel. I call it yummy delicious. Say it out there. Check that out, baby. Woo-hoo. Yummy.
Now, is it caramel or is it caramel?
Let us know in the comments how you pronounce it. Man.
All right, so today is Wing Wednesday here at Factory 29. and their special is 50-cent wings. Now you can get the quantities are 4, 8, and 12, I believe, for 50 cents a piece. If you order 12 wings, you get a choice of 3 sauces. So we've all sort of, Kelly got 3, I got 3 different ones, Dael got 3 different ones.
Now, I'll start this off because this is some of my favorite. Because now, they did have one I absolutely loved, and it's called the Peruvian, which is a Peruvian dry rub. But they no longer carry that now. They call it Mexico City. So I got the Mexico City, the Carolina Gold, which is like a honey mustard based type thing, and then the Kickin' Bourbon, which has got a little barbecue bourbon flavor to it, that nice southern barbecue. And then I got it comes with your choice of carrots and
they give you a lot of carrots and a lot of celery.
And then of course you get you got a choice of blue cheese or ranch, and I went with the ranch. And Mike, what you got there?
Okay, yep. I chose 3 different, and one of them is called rotisserie. I did 3 dry rubs, by the way. One of them's rotisserie. One of them's the bourbon honey, I believe it's called. It's a dry rub. And this third dry rub is called SHIT the bed. Don't know if I could say that out loud on our PG channel, PG rated YouTube channel, but it's the waitress said I probably will in the middle of the night, so I'll get back to you on that one. All right, do you want me to start out with the crap on the bed one?
No, I'm gonna do mine first because while you're over there, well, you know what? While you're over there complaining about how hot it is after you eat it, I might as well let you go that way. Then I can go ahead and go in and do something.
Okay, so
go ahead and try that. Yeah, and of course they do have cheer wine. So cheer wine or sweet tea with that much cheer wine.
All right, here we go. This is called Shit the Bed, and hopefully I don't tonight.
Watch the flavor a lot before you lose it.
I taste the cayenne in there. I think a little bit of chipotle. It doesn't hit you hard at first.
Is it cayenne or habanero?
Could be habanero. They don't really give a description. I shouldn't need to ask the waitress.
The hot pepper,
It doesn't hit you hard at first, but now it's starting to soak in. Is it overwhelming? No, it's not. It's actually kind of a nice light burn, so it's not scary to eat. At least not for me.
Not yet, anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna try one of these the Mexico Cities. See how close they are to the Peruvians. It smells like I said, it wasn't a whole lot of difference, just a little spicy thing change up. But that smells almost identical to what it was. Just a little, you can tell there is something a little different then. So, woo.
Did you try an onion ring? They're good, aren't they?
Oh, that's nice and crispy.
Woo.
And that flavor? Oh, yeah. That's a good flavor. So, Mexico City.
Is this good?
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Well, the hot ones, the shit your bed ones, it's starting to really soak in now.
Kick in now.
So I think I'm going to cool myself down with a cheese curd and some caramel sauce.
Getting some caramel sauce there.
I have, this is going to be the rotisserie right here. That's like the spices are sort of white sprinkled on there, light in color. So let's give that a shot.
You know what the peppers are? You seen that hot one?
I don't, but I can go find out for you real quick.
And your name was?
Lexi.
Lexi.
Yes.
This is our waitress, Lexi. So, hey, Lexi.
Hey, guys.
Yeah, you'll be sitting there when you come in here.
So it does sort of have that, like the rotisserie chicken you would get at the big box stores like Sam's or Costco. It sort of leans that way. It's pretty good.
Well,
Yeah. I want you to notice too how big the wings are. They are big here. Their formula stays the same. They will probably be voted the best wings in McDowell again in 26.
all right. Well, this is the Carolina Gold, and it's definitely got that Carolina mustard, honey mustard smell to it. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to this. And you say, like I said, Mike hit the head on the nail right on the money there. They are some big wings. Oh yeah.
Okay, the peppers in that is mostly cayenne and Carolina Reaper in there.
Cayenne and Carolina Reaper. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I did one and had to take a break.
Yeah.
So the honey mustard, the Carolina Gold, got that nice mustardy flavor, but you've got a lot of that honey that cuts with the sweetness that cuts through the mustard. And again, you got a nice crunchy outer shell around it. Very good.
Okay. All right, so for my final third selection is the honey bourbon flavor. It's supposed to be tastes like bourbon and sweet. So let's see if it's like sipping a sweet bourbon on the back porch on a summer night. There are hints of like a bourbon flavor in there, and brown. I think they use brown sugar as the sweetness in the dry rub. That's actually a good one. I would order this one again. I like it.
Oh, that's good. Well, the next one up is one of my favorites when I come here. And I want you to take a look at this one. Oh my goodness. Woo. Now that is a wing. Check that out.
Wow.
Check that out. And this is the kicking bourbon. And again, it's got some little bit of hot to it, and a lot of sweetness with the bourbon flavor. Great smell to it. Let's go ahead. That is good. You got the bourbon flavor. You got a little bit of heat coming up behind it. It's almost like drinking a little bourbon with you got the heat and you drink the bourbon that goes down. But the flavor is actually right on the money. Yeah, this is one of, if you like bourbon with barbecue sauce, and this is probably
just a wet version of
wet and the dry version.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Come on. What do you think, man? And we've been here before
We have.
when it was the Wing Factory,
Yes.
and now we're with the new place.
Factory 29.
Again, Factory 29, and we'll show you the logo here. They are on Facebook.
Yeah, it's. I think their wings are just as good as they have always been. I'm not disappointed at all. It's the first time me trying the onion rings here. I'm pleasantly surprised with that. The caramel is great on the on everything, just about. So,
Yeah, I love the caramel.
yeah.
Yeah, like I said, it's but to me, I think I don't know. It's just there is a little difference there. It's like I don't know, a little bit more. The flavors stand out a little bit more. Like I said, the Duck Wontons, from what I can remember, they tasted good. In fact, the last time we was here, when it was factory, or when it was the wing factory, I had just had that motorcycle wreck.
Yep.
And we were sitting on the other side over there, and I always ordered this, but again, that was the day of the motorcycle wreck. So now we're back at the new place, and I loved the wings then, but now I'll tell you what, they actually, I don't know, just something about the flavors, like the change up, especially with the what was it, to the Mexico City? I can't remember now.
Yeah, the Peruvian,
to the Mexico City.
Yep.
Actually, I do love that flavor. I mean, like I said, Peruvian was my favorite for the dry rub, but now the Mexico City is right on the money. And seeing your dry rubs over here, especially that rotisserie, 'cause I love rotisserie chicken. Even if you take rotisserie chicken and make a chicken salad sandwich out of it, get that nice rotisserie flavor in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a good thing. Dude, I'll tell you what, man, this is downtown at the Marion Box Factory. Like I said, it used to be the wing factory, and they haven't actually changed a whole lot on the inside. They have opened up, and the other side over here is bigger. If you haven't been here in a couple of years, so they got the whole end over here, all the way to the end of it. And Michael, what's your impression? I mean, they were very helpful when we come in. You know, of course, because of the music, we had to make sure that if we can get the music turned down, it was very helpful to get the music down. So they were very accommodating for us to do this.
Yeah, I mean, it has, the atmosphere hasn't changed much from the Marion Wing Factory to Factory 29. The wings, we think, are better now. And they have a full liquor bar as well as a nice selection of beer, both tap and bottle here.
It is family friendly.
It's family friendly. Wednesday, Wing Wednesday, 50-cent wings. Come check them out.
Come check them out. All righty. So we're giving these a big thumbs up, man. Big rev.
Yeah.
So
Big rev.
All right. So yeah. So for myself,
Mike,
remember, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Give a man a motorcycle, he'll eat that fish 200 miles away.
200.
We're out of here.
Right.
Love, peace, chicken grease.
Boom. See ya. Time to eat.
Time to eat.
On the food again, going places where we never been, catching views that we may never see again, and we can't wait